For this simulation, you're going to click play now. Then you'll have a few options. You can choose any one of these you want. So I'm going to choose ring. But what you need to do is you need to create 5 fireworks. One with strontium, one with calcium, one with sodium, one with barium, and one with copper. If you want to do it with potassium and titanium, you may, but I'm only requiring these 5. So I'm going to start with calcium. Click it. Click time delay 2.5. You can choose your inches here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to test fire and you're going to see what color it turns and mark your data down. If you want to change this, you can. You can change this here, change it to what you want, enter size. Or let's say you want to create a new firework. You can click over here, do the same exact thing, enter size, and you will have at least 5 here you're going to test. If you want to do more, you may. And you can click start show when you're done and you can view what it will look like. But the key here is you have 5 items you need to test. So make sure you test all 5.